Alright, I went to YouTube and basically I had to pinch it. Now I'm putting a new one. I had to pinch this one. And what you do is you put this in, then you can lock it. Alright, try to do it with one hand. So just wanted to show the logistics of it. Logistics. I love that term. So basically, I put it in and I pushed it in. I couldn't do it with one hand. Alright, it's good. New wiper blades. These were about $28. I'm going to compare the prices if I had the mechanic do it. This is the old one, Bosch Icon. I decided to go for the expensive one. Actually, they're both $20. But I just wanted to show the difference. I think you used to spend more on the driver's side, but I think it should be the same. We'll see how it goes.